Welcome to Ayakhan Consultant, your partner in achieving strategic financial standing. We offer expert credit repair services designed just for you. Ready to take control of your financial future? A better credit score is the first step toward greater opportunities. Are you struggling with a low credit score? A poor rating can hold you back from major life goals, like buying a home or securing a loan. Ayakhan Consultant is here to help. We are your dedicated partner for expert credit analysis and strategic repair, guiding you toward financial improvement. Our process begins with a thorough and meticulous credit analysis. We provide a detailed expert analysis of your credit report, leaving no stone unturned to understand your current financial standing. Our focus is on identifying key areas for strategic repair, targeting issues that have the biggest impact on your score. Once the analysis is complete, we move into the hands-on repair phase. We take actionable steps to challenge inaccurate, misleading, or unverifiable items on your credit report. Our approach includes a personalized strategy for credit optimization, ensuring a comprehensive and effective path to improvement. The goal is more than just repair. It's about significant, lasting financial standing improvement. A better credit score is your key to unlocking major opportunities, including better interest rates on loans, easier approvals, and peace of mind. Beyond immediate repair, we offer long-term financial planning advice to help you maintain and continue to build a strong financial foundation. Why should Ayakhan Consultant be your choice for credit repair? You benefit from our expert knowledge and receive dedicated, compassionate support throughout your entire credit repair journey. Our ultimate focus is on your sustainable financial health, ensuring the improvements we make today last for years to come. Ready to strategically improve your financial standing? Don't wait to achieve the credit score you deserve. Start your journey with Ayakhan Consultant today. Contact us for a consultation, and let's build a brighter financial future together.